Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to unpair Bluetooth devices from your Samsung Smart TV. So to do that, simply go to settings. Alright, you can go to the left-hand side panel, scroll down to settings, and on this settings menu at the bottom here, you can scroll and look for all settings. Select that, and then under all settings, scroll down on the left panel to connection, and then under connection, go to Bluetooth devices. Now this is going to show you all paired Bluetooth devices that are actually paired to your phone. So what you need to do is select any device, and then from the menu that appears, scroll down. You have two options, connect and unpair. So scroll down and select unpair, and then confirm by selecting unpair again, and that device is going to get unpaired from your list of Bluetooth devices. And you can do that for every device that you want to unpair. So I can go to this one again, do the same thing, select unpair and confirm. Then I'll go to the next one, select it, unpair and confirm. And you can go doing that for all Bluetooth devices that you want to unpair from your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.